Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all of you. How are you all? Good, alhamdulillah. Okay beta, welcome to the fourth part of speech, adverbs. And in today's video, we will inshallah discuss what is an adverb, types of adverbs, and how to use adverbs correctly. In which we will focus on very common mistakes in two areas, comparative and superlative. But before I start, let me ask you a question. What are adverbs? Some people say that adverbs are like adjectives, as adjectives tell the qualities of noun, adverbs tell the qualities of verb. But it is half correct. Adverbs are very talented words that not only tell the qualities of verb, but also of adjectives, other adverbs, and sometimes even about the whole sentences. Here also we may have a look. A word or phrase that modifies or qualifies verb, an adjective or other adverb, or a word group expressing a relation of place, time, circumstance, manner, cause, degree, etc. For example, gently, quiet, then, there. I'm sure you use adverbs all the time. But why do we use adverbs? Why do we use them? Well, we use them because they answer certain questions like when, where, how much, and how often. Let's take a look at these examples. The first one, he ate the sandwich quickly. Now, he ate the sandwich quickly. This word quickly here is actually telling us how did he eat the sandwich, isn't it? Yes. So this word quickly is the adverb as it's answering the question how. Next is Aisha looks really beautiful in that dress. Now this word here really is actually modifying the adjective beautiful, isn't it? So that's what. How beautiful, really beautiful, isn't it? So here this is actually the adverb. You can park your car here. Where? Here. So it is the adverb. Ali went to the market yesterday. When did Ali go? Yesterday. He went yesterday. When? I sometimes drink coffee in the morning. Now here this word sometimes is actually giving us the answer of the question how often. Yes, how often do I drink coffee in the morning? Sometimes I do. Isn't it? Yes. So here you see all the different things that adverb can do. And based on these different functions, adverbs are classified into 5 common types. Let's see what were they. The first one is adverb of time. The first one is adverb of time. Adverb of time actually answers the question when. When does anything happen, isn't it? Some of the examples of adverbs of time are already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday, soon, lately. All the adverbs that actually show the time of something happening, isn't it? When. The next is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency actually answers the question how often. How often does anything happen? So some of the examples are always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, once, etc. Next is adverb of place. Like adverb of time answers the question when, adverb of place answers the question where. Isn't it? For example, here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, upwards, etc. Next is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner actually tells us how. Actually, it answers how. That is, in what way an action happens. The next is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree actually answers the question how much. Isn't it? How much? The extent of something, the level of something. For example, almost, fully, rather, quite, to, enough, perfectly. Now, these were the 5 most common type of adverbs. Apart from these, there are many other type of adverbs like the adverb of opinion, fortunately, personally, etc. They actually help us express our point of view. The next is linking adverbs. However, moreover, that actually connect two sentences, isn't it? Okay, beta. And one more thing that you should always remember is that people often make mistake. They think that the adverbs always end in ly, but it is not correct. It is not correct. There are many adverbs that do not end in ly, but they are adverbs. For example, very, quite. There are many, isn't it? And on the other hand, there are many adjectives also that have their ending in ly. For example, friendly, lovely, etc. Isn't it? Okay, beta. Now let me give you a quick test. Pause the video here and read these sentences, identify the adverbs out of these sentences, and also tell the types, tell its type. Okay, so pause the video and then I'll discuss mine with you. Okay, beta, the first one is the children sat there quietly. So in this there are actually two adverbs. The first one is the children sat there. Where did the children sit? There. So this word there is actually the adverb of place. How did the children sit? They sit quietly. So quietly, it's answering the question how? Adverb of manner. Next is, did you go to school yesterday? When? Yesterday. Adverb of time. I ran downstairs fast to see who was at the door. Where did I run? Downstairs. Adverb of place. How did I run? Fast, isn't it? Adverb of manner. Ali goes to school every day. How often does Ali go to school? He goes to school every day. Adverb of frequency. They often go out for dinner. How often do they go? They often go, isn't it? So adverb of frequency. Alina speaks English quite well. How? Well. And how much? Quite well, isn't it? Adverb of degree. Okay, beta. Now let's move on to our next topic, comparatives and the superlatives. When we think of comparative and or superlatives forms, we usually think of adjectives. For example, more beautiful, most beautiful, taller, tallest. But it's not correct. Adverbs also have comparatives and superlatives. Adjectives and adverbs have forms called comparative and superlative that are used for comparisons. Use the comparative form when comparing the two items. Use the superlative when comparing more than two. Isn't it? Okay, beta. Now, let's see a few examples. The first one is, can you speak more loudly? Can you speak more loudly? So here this word more has been added to the adverb loudly for making it comparative degree. That is modifying the verb speak. Isn't it? Can you speak more loudly? Isn't it? Means more loudly in comparison to the way you are speaking at present. So comparative. Children learn things more quickly than adults do. Now here the word quickly. Quickly is an adverb. More has been added to this word quickly to make its comparative degree. Isn't it? More quickly. Okay. Now these were easy. Now the next one. Yusuf's car goes dash than Rushan's. More fast, fastly, faster. Now here children often make mistake by writing fast or more fast or fastly. Beta, fast is also an adjective. It is an adverb, but it is also an adjective. And when a word is both adverb and an adjective, then the comparative and the superlative of that particular word remains the same. As we very well know that the comparative of fast is faster. So it will remain faster only even though when it is used as adverb. So Yusuf's car goes faster than Rushan's. Ira actually writes dash than Swaleha. Now it won't be more well or more better. It will be better. Okay, better then. Okay, and beta, these adverbs now, they can further be classified as regular adverbs and the irregular adverbs. Regular adverbs are actually those adverbs that form their comparatives by adding R or ER and form their superlatives by adding ST or EST. Means the usual way, the basic way, isn't it? Irregular adverbs. Some adverbs that do not follow the basic rules like regular adverbs, and they either remain unchanged or change completely to form comparatives or superlatives are called irregular adverbs. So here we are. Hope you understood everything well. Beta, if you did not get anything or have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, as well as in our online session. We may discuss it more. Okay, so now here we come to an end. Let's meet in our next class, inshallah. Till then, stay safe, take care. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.